Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Mithu's Workspace. If you're preparing for the WBJEE exam and feeling a little daunted by physics, you're in the right place. Today I'm excited to share my top 5 tips to help you ace the WBJEE Physics section. So, are you ready to unlock your physics potential? Let's dive right in. Our first tip is to know your syllabus like the back of your hand. The WBJEE Physics syllabus covers a range of topics from mechanics to modern physics. Familiarize yourself with the exact chapters and concepts included. Identify the chapters with the highest weightage. You can find this information in the official WBJEE brochure or on their website. Once you've identified the high weightage chapters, give them your priority. But remember, don't completely ignore the other chapters. A solid understanding of the fundamentals is essential for tackling more complex problems. This strategic approach will help you make the most of your preparation time. Moving on to our second tip, which is all about truly understanding the heart of physics. It's not about memorizing formulas, it's about mastering the concepts behind them. Imagine you're trying to understand Gauss's law or Kirchhoff's laws in electricity. Instead of memorizing, ask yourself, why do these laws work? What are the fundamental principles? This conceptual understanding will be your superpower when you encounter tricky numerical problems or conceptual questions in the WBJEE exam. Start by breaking down complex topics into smaller, more manageable chunks. Visualize the concepts using diagrams, graphs, or even real-life examples. The more you engage with the concepts, the stronger your foundation will be. Now let's move on to our third tip: practice. Start by solving a variety of multiple-choice questions, especially from previous year's WBJEE papers. This will give you a feel for the exam pattern and the types of questions you can expect. Analyze your mistakes. Understanding where you went wrong is as important as getting the right answer. To improve speed and accuracy, set a timer while practicing. The WBJEE exam is a time-bound exam, so getting comfortable with solving problems under pressure is crucial. Choose the resources that work best for you, and make practice a regular part of your study routine. Websites and guidebooks offer comprehensive practice material and valuable insights into the exam. Let's talk about our fourth tip: time management. In the pressure cooker of the WBJEE exam, mastering time can be your secret weapon. Allocate a fixed time for each problem based on the overall exam time limit. If you encounter a particularly challenging question, don't let it derail your entire momentum. Mark it, move on, and come back to it later if you have time. Every question carries equal marks. Don't let one tough question cost you easier marks elsewhere. As you practice more, you'll develop an internal clock for problem solving. This approach not only helps you manage time, but also keeps exam anxiety at bay. You'll feel more in control, knowing you have a plan and you're sticking to it. And finally, our fifth and final tip is all about smart revision, not cramming. Focus on active recall. Instead of passively reading through your notes, try to recall key formulas, derivations, and concepts from memory. Create a cheat sheet, not to cheat but to condense essential information. Write down key formulas, important diagrams, or any concepts you find yourself struggling with. This serves as a quick reference guide during those last-minute revisions. Revision isn't just about memorizing, it's about reinforcing your understanding. Solve a few problems from those chapters again. And lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep before the exam. Believe in the hard work you've put in, and approach the exam with a calm and focused mind. So there you have it. My top 5 tips to help you ace the WBJEE Physics section. Remember, with dedication and smart preparation, you can absolutely crack this exam. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below. What's your biggest challenge in physics right now? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your WBJEE preparation.